My greatest hope for chatbots is that it takes up some of the things that are pulling us away from the core of the learning experience, and enables people to ask the questions that they want to and get additional information that in a really robust learning environment can be part of the input and possibly useful in there, but treated with the appropriate skepticism or consideration that anything else, just as much as having picked up a good book at the library or a book from one historical perspective or one point of view, and knowing that that's one thing coming into the classroom amongst others, and to streamline things that are not the best use of people's time and could be a great use of technology time, so long as it doesn't become additive and create more work for teachers, because you may end up with a situation where they have to know the textbook, they have to know the specific things from the district, and they have to know how the chatbot is going to respond. So that just increases things because you can't quite part with some of these other pieces for very complicated reasons. My greatest fear with chatbot technology in education is that we vastly overestimate what it is capable of doing and we vastly underestimate what teaching involves. And I think that that's going to be a very inequitable outcome, and also has a high risk for just being a bad learning experience for a number of students for whom we might even think it's a good learning experience. When we think about customization, oftentimes it's how is it best suited to an individual, and in education we actually want things that are not necessarily suited. You want perspectives that are different. You want to be challenged to think about things in a way that is unfamiliar or hard, and unexpected. And if we just let everyone pick their own diet, will they still pick broccoli? And we do know that there's some ways in which broccoli can be quite valuable. And how do we make sure that it's prepared well and not just covered in chocolate?